So why use the Collections function in Scrivener 3 for Windows? Let's think about that. If you haven't seen the other videos about collections, you might want to start here. Otherwise? Well, let's say you want to easily see all the scenes from the point of view of a particular character to ensure you've got the voice right across the board. Or you want to check that you've not made any continuity errors from one scene to the next where they appear. Or likewise with the location. You might want to ensure that you haven't contradicted yourself about what room is next to what, or what can be seen out of the window. Maybe you want to experiment with moving scenes around or omitting scenes completely to see if the plot still makes sense. You might even want to generate a file to give to someone else on that score. That and many other manuscript checking scenarios could be a reason to use a collection. Another reason might be if you want to have different versions of your manuscript for different retailers or different clients, if you're writing non-fiction. You could have all the master files in your binder and then everything for each different situation in your collections. Then, when you generate the final files, you can simply select the collection you want to use and everything will be there. Or perhaps you might want to create a different version to send to beta readers that doesn't include everything, or has some extra bits and pieces that you wouldn't put into the final book, such as specific notes on questions you might want to ask about a particular chapter or a particular incident. I'm sure you can think of lots of other scenarios that are specific to your work. So you've done all this and you want to create an output from it. How do you do that? Well, simply go to Compile and select your collection from the Compile pull-down list. And, as you would for any other document, select the other elements you require. Next time we'll be tackling something different, and that's comments.